My dear technician, someone asked me in the comment section of my video, he said, Father Joe, please tell us, where do you normally get your goods from? Example like the reboiling tools, where do you normally get your reboiling tools from? Not just reboiling tools and other things like the repair mats. My dear technician, so today I want to share with you the online stores that I normally order this thing from. Most of my goods, I get it online, so I'm going to share with you the online stores that I normally get my goods from. The first online store that I will share with you is AliExpress. I've been using AliExpress for a very long time now. I started using AliExpress 3 years ago. I've been seeing them online. My friends used to order a lot of goods from them. So I just said, let me try. So the first time I tried, I got exactly what I ordered. And guys, since then, have been using AliExpress up till today. My dear technician, another store, online store that I recommend you guys to order whatsoever you want to order from is Jumia. Okay, you can order whatsoever you want to order from Jumia. They are legit. They are legit. I used to order from them and they get it straight to me. Okay, another one that I will advise you to order whatsoever you want to order from is Gonga. Okay, you can order from Gonga too. I used to get most of my goods also from Gonga, but the one that I'm very sure that you get whatsoever that you want when it comes to phone repairs, is AliExpress. AliExpress, they sell a lot of things. IC, battery connector, charging port. They sell a whole lot of things, guys. So I strongly recommend, if you want to get so many things like IC, charging port, and a whole lot of things, you can get it from AliExpress. They sell a lot. If you check, you will see they sell a whole lot of things. DC power supply is there. And one thing I like online store is that their prices is different from the physical store. Okay, their price is different from the physical store. If you check online store, you see that their price is not all that big. I've been using AliExpress for a very long time now, and I see that AliExpress, the price of their goods is not all that expensive. But when you want to order from AliExpress, please order high quality. Unless you want the low quality one, you can get it. Okay, the high quality one is costly, so order the high quality one. Okay, make sure you check the videos of the products. Make sure you check the reviews of people, those who bought it before. Check their experience, check their review. Take your time to check it very well before you get your own. Okay, add it to cart and then make payments and you're good to go. For me, it normally takes 14 to 26 days for me to get any goods I order from AliExpress. Okay, like the one I ordered before, I got it in 14 days. Guys, it's simple and easy. Just place your order and you get it. Okay, for those of you that are scared, you don't want to place it, don't want to place your order, you can contact us. We are going to do it for you. Okay, we are 100% ready to do it for you. Just send a DM to us, chat us on WhatsApp, tell us, Father Joe Phone Repairs, I want you to get this for me. Okay, I want you to do what to get this for me. We are working tirelessly to make sure everything is in place. For now, I'm thinking a lot because the workers that we have is not enough. I need more workers to work for us because a lot of people complain about chats. When they drop chats, it takes a lot of time for us to respond. So it's not easy. So we have a very few workers. So I'm thinking of adding more workers. Okay. And adding more workers will require money so that I will be paying them for that. Guys, it's not easy. So it's not an easy work. Okay. So if you have any question concerning this, okay, concerning the goods, how and everything about it, let me know in the comment section. Okay. And guys, if there's anything apart from the goods, anything else that you want to ask me, you're free. Let me know in the comment section. Bye bye for now. I love you all.